Welcome to Edvance360. We're going to be covering the features found in Release 7.3.1. Release notes can be accessed at advance360.com/release_notes. Make sure to use the underscore there. It is currently available to all clients. For additional information on the features seen today, please contact Susie Snow at susie.snow@advance360.com. In this new release, there are several new things, the most exciting of which is the version 8 design theme. We're proud to release this new interface design. It's cleaner, a little more simple. It's been released prior to the actual version 8.0, which is slated for Q3, in order to acclimate your faculty, staff, and end users to the new design theme before the actual features come out in Q3. The new design theme is entirely CSS, which means no functionality has been changed or affected in the system and will not change when you upgrade to the new design theme. So it will not change anything except for the design itself. Administrators can preview the design theme by visiting the admin settings link, clicking on the design version page, and then the preview link. The preview will last until you hit the revert design button. The preview will only affect your current browsing session. It will not affect others on the system. Please note when you are previewing, there may be some slight adjustments required. If you're using a custom design theme, please send us a quick note to let us know when you're ready to do the switch for everyone so we can address those small changes for you. The version design theme includes a more responsive browser size. It includes the latest advancements in browser technologies, which allows the design to fit any device. This means that when you're switching between your desktop and your laptop and your tablets and your mobile devices, your browsing experience will adjust along with it, never breaking and providing a much more comfortable viewing experience. The text is also going to be slightly larger and clearer to read. It's been streamlined. It removes the icons from the design, providing a more streamlined and simplified feel, though I will say some clients may want their icons back, so if that's the case, just let us know. We've also released an external LTI tool, which is very exciting. Administrators can set up a connection to an LTI-compliant content provider by specifying the URL, key, and secret that's provided by the other vendor, not us, the other vendor. The possible content providers include CourseLoad, Turnitin, McGraw-Hill. There are actually several hundred. Once the tool setup is in the admin link, all faculty members can use it to create a link on their course's homepages. This allows the students to click the link from the course homepage and send the tool provider, the other vendor, the course information and the student's identity attributes. So they don't have to log in two places. Note, most cases, clients will need to have an account with the tool provider in order to obtain a key and secret. So sometimes that costs you because they charge you. Other times it's free, so you'll have to get that from the other vendor. We've made some changes and added several new reports. We've added the rubric detail report. It provides a summary graph of each student's points earned, a data table of each criteria, each user points earned per criteria, the total points earned per student, and the grade awarded. And like all the other reports in the reports panel, this report is exportable to Excel. We've also added a competency report. It's in your reports panel as well. It allows you to report across multiple courses that contain the same competency, as well as across multiple accounts. Now, for those clients subscribed to our mothership services that have access to all of their accounts within the mothership, they also have access within the new reports panel. This report allows administrators to select each account from which they'd like to pull the report, as well as each course within it. A report by competency will provide a summary pass and fail graph, a data table breakdown of the student performance by objectives, detailing the average score, number passed, number failed, etc. We've also added ASHA export. Clients needing to provide credit hour reports to ASHA, which are typically corporate clients may now do so by requesting this feature be turned on by technical support. When enabled, the following enhancements will be available to administrators. You can provide ASHA IDs for each student or participant, provide an ASHA course end date for each course, and the ability to export certificates and completed course information in the ASHA format, along with ASHA participant extension sheets. We've made some extensive changes to the registration portal. If you're not using the e-commerce registration portal, then these will not apply. If you need to use the registration portal, we do have one. Let us know if you need it. These features that I'm about ready to list are not turned on by default and may require integration charges to be turned on if you don't have the e-commerce or registration portal. There's now a search that allows you to search on course name and instructor name, promotion code by product, report by discount, administrator point of sale tools, as well as an offline payment queue. That's a summary of it, so let's go ahead and go into the software and take a look at each piece. First, let's look at the release notes. You'll notice I've got them up here on the screen, version 7.3.1, all of the different features. You'll notice also 7.2.9 and so on and so forth. They are always on the advance360.com/release_notes. You'll always find them there. You can share that with your faculty. You can share this recording as well. If you need my PowerPoint, let me know. All right, the first thing we're going to take a look at is the new design. So I'm going to log in as an administrator into our Sandbox account. You'll notice a much more clean interface, no icons, very simplified, etc. To access it and preview it, go to your admin link, go to your settings link, and at the top of your settings, look for design version. Click preview if you'd like to preview it. When you're done, make sure to click revert, and it will only change it for that session. It doesn't change it for anyone else until you choose it and click submit. And do keep in mind you'll need to let us know if you have any small minor tweaks that need to be done. Let's talk about the external LTI tool. That's also here in the settings, almost to the bottom here. External LTI tools. You'll add the tool name, such as course load, the URL that they provide you, the key and the secret that they provide you. Click submit. It saves it. You can have as many external LTI tools added here as you want. Just keep adding them and adding them until you're done. And then inside of the course itself, the faculty will navigate to the course. And in their settings, they can choose the LTI tools they'd like to show on the home page for the student. A drop-down list of the ones you have added to the admin area will show here. Moment. All right, so let's also cover the report in the rubric detail reports and the other reports in the reports panel. So I'm going now to the reports inside the course. You'll notice there are several reports in the course. The reports panel link is here. Try the new reports panel. Click on it. It will load up the reports for all of the courses to which you have access. If you're an administrator, then obviously you have access to all of them. The new reports are here, such as rubrics and rubrics detail. You would choose the rubric and the item for which you'd like to look at, for the gradebook item. Click Update, and it will load the rubric report, average level by criteria, points, level, students, etc. You can also look at the rubric detail, and then we added the competency reports as well here. I will not be showing the ASHA reports. Those need to be turned on if you're a corporation needing to report to ASHA, and if you have the e-commerce suite and wish to take a look at those features individually, let us know. We can take a look at those with you. Contact technical support for those, 866-458-0360, extension 404. Thanks so much. I appreciate it.